Today marks 8 years since the mass shooting at Pulse nightclub claimed the lives of 49 in Orlando. But as the LGBTQ community remembers those lost, they're also celebrating a major court victory. Action News Jack's Jake Stofan is live on the South Bank. And Jake, a federal judge ruled several restrictions that Florida imposed on transgender health care are unconstitutional.
And this ruling restores access to those medical treatments, both for minors and for adults alike. Today, I spoke with one of those impacted patients and a local care provider here about how this law has affected them over the past year. After Florida lawmakers passed a state law restricting access to transgender medical care for children and adults, many transgender Floridians, like local Erica D'Emery, could no longer receive care from their medical providers.
And all of this, to be fair, because, our governor and the Republican Party, it seems, wanted to make a distraction from what they were doing and make a boogeyman out of people that were just trying to live their lives.
The law blocked medications like puberty blockers and hormones for minors. For adults, restrictions limited what kind of medical professionals could provide treatments and how patients could receive care. After the law was passed, Dr. Mohammed Reza stepped in to fill the gaps and began providing treatments to Erica and roughly 300 transgender adults in the region.
They're physiologically dependent on these medications for the rest of their life. And to take that away from so many people is just so unjust.
Now, a ruling from a federal judge has deemed those restrictions unconstitutional, restoring access once again. Governor Ron DeSantis vowed to appeal. But Equality Florida's Carlos Guillermo Smith believes an appeal is unlikely to succeed.
This permanent injunction should give healthcare providers all of the clearance that they need to resume that care once again to transgender Floridians who need it.
For those directly impacted by the law like Erica, the ruling marks a return to normalcy.
When I was able to connect, friends of mine that lost their care with Dr. Reza, I've never had people reach out to me as if I saved their life. The gravity of that, seeing that is, you can't forget that. You see how important this care is to so many people.
Now, one of the few parts of this law that was not overturned is the ban on transgender surgeries for minors, though the lawsuit did not challenge that provision in the first place. For local coverage, you can count on Live on the South Bank. I'm Jake Stofan, Action News Jax.